Hey guys, what's up? It's Queen here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're not, thank you for coming back and hanging out with me again. So as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be all about a Shea Moisture line. I briefly talked about this on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, you can follow me right here, just stay updated. And I briefly talked about this line, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I haven't really done a product update in a while. So I have been hearing about the Shea Moisture MANUKA honey and yogurt line, and apparently it's really great for dry hair, type 4 hair, so I was like, I need to try it. My favorite Shea Moisture line, you guys already know, is the Jamaican black castor oil line, and that is my go-to for everything. Having something that could possibly replace my favorites was kind of like, you know, a little nerve-wracking. But so I will get right into this, and I will try to walk you guys through this routine because I genuinely feel like this might have taken over my previous favorites, and it might have changed the game. So please excuse this hair in my head right now because it is just ready to be washed and it's messy and tangled. So what I'm gonna do is go through my whole routine with you guys and tell you a little bit about these products, and you guys can see the transformation for yourself, and you can see how the product moves through my type of hair. So then you can make your own decision. It's been a long time coming because Jamaican black castor oil has been holding it down for the past like 6 years. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the shampoo and conditioner, as you can see. And then there's also the deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner. So that's all the four that I have, and I think that's all the four in the whole line. But they are also with Marufa and baobab oils, and baobab oil is amazing for everything. Let me just get right into this. I'm gonna wet my hair and we're gonna lather through with the shampoo so you guys can see what it looks like. So you guys can see it's lathering really nicely, and it's such a smooth texture, and it's already detangling my very tangled hair, and it's separating everything, as you can see. So you guys can see how much life it's already bringing to my hair. Even though this is just the shampoo, it's separating it nicely. My curls are clumping and it's not drying it out, so it feels really great. Alright, so now I'm going in with the conditioner. My hair is already starting to separate and define itself. It does feel very clean, but it's not like squeaky clean. But I definitely feel like it needs a bit of conditioner. But it's not dried out either, but it gave me some nice definition already with just the shampoo. My hair is so soft and detangled now. I have not even used a comb. And right now, so I'm actually gonna mix the, what's it called? The Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment with the conditioner, because I'm not gonna do a whole sit down conditioning session, but this came. Let me show you this. So this is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment, and it's so thick. Like, it's not moving, it's not sliding. This is not coming out of the jar. It's kind of like a whipped butter texture. So this is what it looks like on my hands, and I'm just gonna mix it in my hair lightly. I don't like to use this too much because of course it's a protein treatment and you don't want to overdo that. I'm sure you all can see how bouncy my hair is from this product. Wow, my hair feels like butter. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. I'm just gonna use a little bit more, just that much. And I'm gonna work it into the middle section. Okay, so you guys can see most of the white is kind of disappearing, so it's absorbing into my hair. So I'm gonna wash it out in about 5 minutes, and then we are good to go. And then I'm gonna spritz in my leave-in, comb my hair out, and put it into a nice sleek top knot ponytail, no, a top knot bun. And then that is basically it for my wash day routine. And obviously I can do this in the shower, and this takes me like 15 minutes. It does not take me long. I just work it in as much as I can until I feel like my hair has really absorbed it and it's a lot easier to manage. Oh my goodness, this bounce. Alright, so I just rinsed out the conditioner and the protein treatment mix, and now it is time to detangle and put my hair into a simple style. If you guys watched my previous video, you already know what I'm about to detangle with. It is my wooden brush. This is a full wooden brush, wooden bristles, wooden handle, everything. My hair is soaking wet. I'm just going to take this off. Whew. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so moisturized. I know it doesn't look all perfect and defined and all that stuff, but this is me, this is my hair, and this is what it is. So there isn't any crazy definition or anything, but if you guys felt my hair, it feels like moisture was infused into my strands. That's what it feels like, and that's all that really matters to me. So I'm not going to go through the hassle of trying to define my hair. That's not something I do every day, honestly. I let my hair do its own thing. And then I'm going to go in with the MANUKA honey and yogurt. What is this? Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner. Leave-in. That's all it says, leave-in. And so it's a spray. It's very watery, as you can hear. And I just go in and I spray my hair everywhere. I concentrate on the parts that are harder to detangle, like right in the middle. And I spray everywhere now so then it can sit in my hair while I start detangling the other parts. The only thing I will say about this product is that I wish it was a cream because liquid leave-ins don't usually do that much for my hair unless I use a lot. I'm going to separate my hair into chunks just so it makes it easier to detangle. Okay, so I'm also going to use a little bit of Eco Styler around my edges, just right here. And I'm going to use that to brush my hair back up into a high ponytail. And I take a little bit of edge control and I slick my edges back as well. The edge control I'm using is the one I've been using, is the Belle Roche. Everything will be in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay, so it has been a few minutes and I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so my bun looks much better than it did 45 minutes ago. That's basically it. I don't know what else to say about it. I'm not an expert in these products. I don't know what's really going on. Shea Moisture is a great brand. That's all I can really say, and I love how heavy these products are. You guys saw the texture of the shampoo. It has a nice silky look to it, and that gives my hair a lot of shine, and it melts my tangles away. The conditioner is already very, very, very thick, and you guys know how I feel about thick products. We need it, especially if you have type 4 hair. We need heavy products to really get through stuff and comb through and kind of penetrate. And then the deep conditioner or the treatment is even thicker. So I'm sure you guys know why I love this stuff so much. So the only thing I was changed is the leave-in, which is liquid, which isn't my favorite, but it does help my hair go through the detangling process a bit better because it is like water-based and so light that I can spray it in and comb through. So that's basically it. I will leave all the details in the description boxes down below. And if you had been looking for a new product or a new line to try, I recommend you try everything all together because that's what I'm doing and that's what's working for me. So don't just try one and then say it doesn't work. I would recommend to try them all together if you can, and that usually gives you the best results anyways with any line. So if you're looking for something new for your type 4 hair, this is definitely type 4 approved. Yes! So I'm very, very happy to say that. I love it. I love it so much. So that is going to be replacing my Jamaican black castor oil stuff till further notice, and I just thought I would share that with you guys. So comment down below, let me know what you think. If you've tried it, if you have any questions, I will answer that, and I will be doing some more videos with these products and some other new things that I have been trying. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to stay updated on anything new, and I would love to connect with you guys there. So follow me there and message me if you have any questions or if you need help or anything, whatever it is. And make sure you subscribe down below, of course. Turn on the notification bell if you haven't already so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I'm gonna stop talking because I know I'm talking too much. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.